Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. First of all, let's do a little wristwatch check. I've got my Bulova 43mm two-tone, absolute beautiful, Marine Star 100-meter water resist. Now then, I had to pick this watch up because they're a micro brand and they've done a diver that looks drop dead gorgeous, pretty unique, with a unique kind of bracelet and a unique look, and it's 300-meter water resist and it's super affordable, so I just had to pick it up. Now some of you might know what I'm referring to already, but there's not been many YouTubers that have reviewed it, but it is actually the Dapix Hebros. Now Dapix, I believe, are a Romanian firm, and they have produced, at least in the looks department, a beautiful watch. So let's just get this open now. So that's your international warranty. Alright, yeah, I've picked up as well a rubber band to go with it, because obviously I like it on the bracelet, but sometimes I might want to swap it out. Wowzers. Wow, that looks pretty sick. Now I actually picked it up in the burgundy model, which has this beautiful red burgundy dial with the black bezel. I actually wanted it in the gold and black, but they've run out of stock, unfortunately, but that's fine because they will replenish stock eventually. I'll just go through the specs. This is a 41mm nominal, obviously diver, automatic with the NH36A, date window, absolutely drop dead gorgeous, unique dial. It's not just a straight homage. 300-meter water resist, completely solid bezel, ceramic bezel, tiny bit of back play, not too much, sapphire crystal with fully solid machined bracelet, solid end links, solid links, and the links are not just your standard 3-link oyster style. They're not. They are a different shape slightly, so that'll be interesting putting them on, seeing how they feel, because I've not actually used a bracelet like this, not for a long time actually. With your standard deploying clasp with push buttons with 3 micro adjusts. I'll take all this off in a minute, so I can't wait to get this on my wrist. The price of this watch is unbeatable. It's less than €200. For this kind of spec, you know, I'm sure it'd be so difficult to get anything like this off anything other than a micro brand. I mean, the closest you get to it would be something off AliExpress, but you won't have the polishing and the quality, probably not, of this watch. So it's completely signed as well. The clasp is signed, the crown is signed, and the dial is suitably branded. It looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, which is why I got it, because ultimately watches are, you know, they're an item of jewellery, really. Watches, they're a fashion item ultimately. They're not just a tool watch, but this has everything. It's got the tool if you want to go diving, the 300-meter water resist, it's got everything. So thumbs up for looks. Let me get this on my wrist, and in a week or so I'll have a full review. You can get it in about 6 different colours. You can get it in blue, teal, black and gold, and this red one. So I can't wait to get it on my wrist and try it. So beautiful watch. But yeah, I'll review it and then I'll come straight back to you. There's a link below. They're not actually selling. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not affiliated with them. They're not selling currently right now into the United Kingdom, but they're selling into Europe. You'll have to get it off some other aftermarket, well, off some third-party suppliers if you can get it into the UK right now. But they will eventually, in the autumn this year, be selling into the UK. That is it on the wrist. Oh my God, absolutely drop dead gorgeous. I probably just need to take one link out and that should be good to go. It doesn't feel too top heavy at all. It feels nice and balanced. That size of 41mm is going to obviously be, you know, very practical for many people. It's not going to be too big, and it's thick enough, and it has enough presence for me with my wrist to for me to wear, because I was a touch worried it might be a touch too small, but it's not. It's fine, because obviously it has quite wide lugs and it is quite thick, so you know, it has got the presence. So beautiful, a very interesting bracelet as well. It does have some polishing on there, some polished parts. I think they're in between. Just looks, it looks way more than, I think it's about 185 euros, which is a bargain for what it is. It seems to be, at least initially, as I've unboxed it. So yeah, so I'll get a review up for you after I've worn it for a week or two. Okay, brilliant. Cheers.